As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the ChuMaste and the Coleman RoadTrip 285. Both seem decent, but which one's better, you think?
Let's see. Right off the bat, the ChuMaste has a bigger cooking area, like 464 square inches compared to Coleman's 285. That's a significant difference if you're grilling for more people.
Yeah, good point. I often have friends over. But what about power? Do they both pack a punch?
Well, the ChuMaste boasts 30,000 BTUs from its 3 burners. The Coleman, also with 3 burners, only puts out 20,000 BTUs total. So, the ChuMaste should heat up faster and maintain higher temperatures.
Okay, power to ChuMaste. What about portability? I might want to take it camping sometimes.
That's where the Coleman shines, actually. It's specifically designed as a portable stand-up grill with quick-fold legs and wheels. The ChuMaste has wheels, but it's heavier and bulkier, at around 52 pounds compared to the Coleman.
I see. So Coleman's easier to lug around. Anything else about portability?
The Coleman comes with a 5-foot hose and adapter to connect to a 20-pound propane tank, which is super convenient. The ChuMaste, I think it's just designed for smaller propane tanks, and you might need to adapt the connection based on what customers are saying.
Gotcha. What about features? Anything stand out?
Both have foldable side tables, which are always useful. The ChuMaste has a built-in thermometer, which is nice for monitoring the temperature, and an oil collection cup for easier cleaning.
Cleaning is important. What about price?
The ChuMaste is around $169. It looks like the Coleman RoadTrip 285 is currently unavailable, but I think it's around the same price.
Okay, so it really depends on what I need. More cooking space and power, go with ChuMaste. More portability, go with the Coleman if I can find it.
Exactly. And don't forget that ChuMaste has a video showing setup, which might be helpful, and slightly better customer rating of 4.3/5.
This is great. Thanks for the breakdown. I think I'm leaning towards the ChuMaste. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.